What we do here is we take our hands up in a circle and bring it back. What we are trying to do here is levy certain tracks on which our hands would move along our body. So even when we are doing intricate movements, this is almost at a subconscious level is what we are doing. We stabilize it. We mug it up so well that when we are actually doing complicated talams and complicated hand and body movements, we don't have to think about these basic hand movements or the mudras or even the hastaks. So make sure the first one is here according to the depth of your face. It goes all the way up and down. The side one is on your shoulder level. The third one is at this diagonal. The fourth one is a twist and turn. You bend your body, twist and turn, and bend again. The fifth is the vyapti. And then when you're doing the suchitas, the entire thing moves together. The wrist, the chin, the eyes, and the toes with sharpness.